Bombay, it has been said, is not a city, it is a state of mind. It is a state of a young man's mind, exciting and excitable, exuberant and effervescent, dynamic and dramatic. That is what Khwaja Ahmed Abbas Saab has said in Mumbai Fables, the film that has inspired Bombay Velvet. And we have with us Ranbir and Anushka here in Goa right now. First of all, Anushka, do you agree with the Khwaja Saab's statement? Because I think this defines I think Ranbir's character in a way as well.
Like a lot of like big words, English words. I was not really following that much.
Exuberant and excitable and dramatic.
क्या बोल रहे थे वो? क्या बोलने की कोशिश क्या कर रहे थे?
Bombay is a city.
It's a state of mind.
It's a city of dreams.
It's a young man's.
Yeah, it's a city of dreams, man. I mean that we all know. I mean I've come from outside to fulfill my dreams. You also must be coming. Maybe you've not, but I'm just saying that it is a city of dreams, and your dreams do get fulfilled over here. It's a place where people work.
Give you opportunity.
So, it gives you opportunity. People work really hard. I've not seen more professional people than I have in Bombay than I have in India. Multicultural, and it has room for everybody. It has arms big, wide, and warm for everyone to walk into. So it's a beautiful, beautiful city.
What about you? Somewhere when we saw that 7-minute clip yesterday, I think your character is someone that it can be endearing, it can be like really I think very extroverted, and at the same time he can be very just confined within himself. It's something which has a lot of layers. Do you agree with that?
I think Anurag's all his films has this quality, all his characters has this quality, has this quality is also right. Anurag's all his films has this quality.
All his films, Anurag's films.
Anurag's, all his films has this quality. Correct?
Have this quality.
Samjhanat boss. I think Anurag's films has this quality. And Rosie has, I have, Khambata has, Johnny's has, Manish Chaudhary जो किरदार वो निभा रहे हैं, जिमी का उसके पास भी has. तो आई थिंक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. एज एन एक्टर आपको भी मजा होता है ना, आपको खेलने का कुछ होता है. ऐसे नहीं कि आप आप गुस्सा हो तो सिर्फ गुस्सा हो. आप गुस्से में भी बहुत सारी चीज़ें होती है, वल्नरेबिलिटी होती है, जेलिसी होती है, एक डिफरेंट माइंड सेट्स, कुछ 5-6 चीज़ें आपके दिमाग में चल रहे होते हैं. तो आई थिंक जब आप एक ऐसा लेयर्ड कैरेक्टर लिखोगे तो फिर फॉर अ परफॉर्मर इट्स ऑल्सो एक्साइटिंग टू परफॉर्म इट. यू मे नॉट अचीव ऑल द थॉट्स, बट इवन इफ यू अचीव 2 thoughts, it's exciting for a viewer to also see it, because people are like that. In life we are like that. When we're angry, we're not only angry. There are other things. So I think that was the approach, and Anurag is the best person to do that, because he himself has some 30 thoughts in his mind. Absolutely. When he gets angry. Absolutely. Half the time when we are talking to Anurag, उसकी खुद की biopic शुरू हो जाती है. हाँ, तो मेरे लाइफ में ऐसा हुआ या वैसा हुआ. So
he's very excitable as well.
Very exciting, very exuberant. And all the words that go with Bombay, I think go with Anurag also. बहुत सारे लोग Anurag के ऑफिस आते हैं to work. So actually Anurag is actually a synonym for Bombay.
Rusi Karanja's character, the editor of Blitz, he himself had a lot of layers to himself. He could be good, he could be wily as well, and especially I think the Nanavati murder case, I think the way it was portrayed, there were several versions to it, and I think Sylvia is one number in the song as well. So can you talk more about Rusi Karanja's character in the movie?
I actually don't know what to say about Rusi Karanja's character in the movie, quite honestly. Yeah. I mean, it is loosely. He is blackmailing me. No, he's not.
He's actually.
Rusi Karanja is actually Khambata's character.
No. Jimmy Mistry.
Really? Yeah, he is blackmailing me then. He is Manish Chaudhary's character. Right. So he has placed me as a mole to get a negative which is with him in the film, which that negative is the reason why this whole film is actually whatever's happening in the film, whatever the politics, whatever the conflict in the film is because of this one particular negative,
which is a photograph of a very powerful minister. Right. And everyone's playing this game because the negative is with Johnny, and they want the negative and they want Johnny dead. And so they send Rosie to Johnny so they can retrieve the negative, so that they all are safe, they all can be a part of the reclaimed land which is coming up. So that is the backdrop. Now on this backdrop, Anurag wrote a love story, Johnny's and Rosie's character, these 2 characters are the only characters which are fictional. Otherwise all the other characters, the events are true.
Hi, this is Faridoon Shahryar. For the most interesting celebrity interviews, do subscribe to Bollywood Hungama. Keep on watching.